A very warm welcome to Paddy sir in
Good
our
evening,
chit
sir.
chat corner.
Good evening. Good
Good
evening.
evening,
Thank you
good
very
evening,
much for
sir.
calling me here.
It's a privilege for IFRM 3240 that we are having you today tonight.
It is
Sir,
a privilege for me that IFRM 3240 has called me for this chit chat.
sir, let me just tell you one thing. IFRM
Hanji.
3240 is only because of Paddy sir.
It is only because of Subhashish. It is only because of DG Subhashish, sir. It is not because of Paddy, sir. It is because of Subhashish, sir.
So nice of you, so humble, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, tell me one thing. Why people call you Paddy?
Two reasons. One is my name is too long. My name is Padmanabhan. Half
Okay,
the people don't know to pronounce that properly. So बहुत मेरे बचपन में my father was working for an American company,
okay,
Goodyear Tires. So the Americans, my father's name was Sundaresan, so he was called Sandy. My name was Padmanabhan, I was called Paddy. So that is how the name came. But then it's very common thing. Most Padmanabhans in the country, if you see, are called Paddies. Paddy.
it's very touchy and like it's very close. Like,
The Englishmen feel that I'm Irish.
thank you, sir. Sir, the very purpose of coming for this chit chat corner is just to know about
Sir,
what is our IFRM is all about.
there are multiple fellowship groups formed by Rotary International, or rather, they have allowed multiple fellowship groups to thrive within the ambit of Rotary. One such group is IFRM, which is International Fellowship of Rotarian Musicians, which is focusing on the passion which the Rotarians and their associates and families have for music. Just like there is another forum called IFCR, which is for cricket loving Rotarians.
Okay,
Similarly, this is for the music loving Rotarians.
okay. Thank you so much, sir, for the clarity. We also wanted to know whether it's only the Rotarian members can become an IFRM member or the connected people also.
The connected people also, it is Rotarians, their family,
Mm-hmm.
Inner Wheel, Rotaract, Interact, and now Rotary International has said that an amendment of bylaw where the fellowship groups can also include non-Rotarians.
Oh, that's very
The
nice.
idea is the idea is non-Rotarians get attracted to the fellowship groups and ultimately come and join Rotary also. So the membership of Rotary grows because of that.
That is a welcome move, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for
Yeah, it was
giving the
the amendment
clarity on
was
it.
done in the month of June 2020.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Sir, how IFRM started? Like, can we just have a background how it started?
Like I said, Rotary International decided to have various fellowship groups which were formed at various points of time in the calendar. IFRM was formed in the year 1972 in the
Okay.
US, and the idea was that they bring music people together to start a choir to sing in convention.
Okay.
That is how the whole thing started.
Okay. So that was the idea behind, like,
That
just
was
to
the
have.
idea behind it.
Okay.
So that they have a group of people who can sing choir and perform in the convention.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Uh, Now coming back to India,
Sir,
when IFRM started in India, sir.
very surprisingly, though it started in the year 1972 in the US, it came to India in only 2010, where the first chapter was found in Bangalore,
Okay.
which is because the then Vice Chair of India, Nagesh Siddhante, had visited one of the conventions, and there he saw the choir performing and he met the people, the IFRM people in the IFRM booth, and then came to know about IFRM. And then they asked him, why don't you start in India? And that is how he started the first chapter in Bangalore. It remained in Bangalore only as a chapter for till about 2016. And the same way as he had gone to the convention, I had gone to Bangalore to play a cricket tournament in Rotary,
Okay.
where evening function was performed by IFRM members, and that's how I came to know about IFRM. So then I came here and started in 314, and then 3141.
Likewise, it went on.
Then it
Chapters
went
went
on.
on. Okay. We have come to know that, sir, you are a very renowned musician, sir. Can you just please throw a bit of like more details about yourself?
My music background,
Yes, sir.
I have learnt Carnatic music from my age of 6 years,
Okay.
and learnt Carnatic music for almost 12 years. I've learnt violin for about 6 years. Violin. That is how the interest was there for music. I have participated in music competitions in school, in colleges, but once you started doing a course like Chartered Accountant, you forget everything. So everything was forgotten till I joined Rotary in 1997. So Rotary rekindled the passion for music, and thanks to Rotary, then I got opportunities to perform with a lot of celebrities in the music field.
That's so nice to learn, sir.
Like Shankar Mahadevan or Shan or Vaishali Samant or Usha Utu.
Okay.
It was all thanks to Rotary. All those opportunities were given by Rotary.
It's so nice to learn that you joined Rotary in 1997. A year before I had joined. Sorry,
Oh, okay.
I joined in 1996.
Oh, so you are senior to me by 1 year.
1 year senior to you. Anyways, can we now come to know how many chapters we have in India now at present?
At present, we have 7 chapters. We have Bangalore, Mumbai, Thane, Navi Mumbai, Nasik, Pune, Assam, and Jamshedpur. So 8 chapters technically now, and we are in the process of forming another 9 chapters during the following Rotary year. So by September, we should probably be running with at least 6 to 7 chapters and 9 chapters before October.
Let me make a little correction on the chapter with Assam. It consists of North Bengal, Sikkim, and the entire
I
Northeast.
understand the 7 states. It is only convenience that I say Assam.
Yeah, I can understand.
It is only convenience.
Because I am leading a team of Rotarian musicians who are from all part of the Northeast region, as well as from North Bengal. Sikkim.
Perfect.
So I just wanted to make it a bit clear on it. Okay, so Mr. Paddy, any upcoming events of IFRM India? You are the Vice Chair India.
Vice Chair India and Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, okay. Any upcoming events, activities of IFRM India?
See, events across 7 chapters, there are events constantly happening. Almost every weekend there is some event in some chapter.
Okay.
But the bigger ones, if you see, on 19th, there is an All India event happening, which is being hosted by Jamshedpur. No, Jamshedpur again is a convenience. It is Jamshedpur and Bihar.
The entire, yeah, 3 to 5
It is just convenience. They are hosting that event.
Okay.
It is the talent show which will have all the 7 chapters participating. That show should be about 2.5 hours of music. Show is called Dil Se. So it is all romantic songs.
So in this program, I think all the chapters from different part of
All
India
the-
will participate.
All the 7 chapters will participate. Thanks to virtual platform, now everybody is coming together for everything. Every chapter wants to attend programs of every other chapter. So it is becoming a one big family.
Okay. Just for the benefit of all other members, let me ask you one question. Like
Sir,
IFRM 3240, like we are doing it here in this region, this part of the country. If individual member performs as a member of IFRM in any of the Rotary event, maybe it is in his or her uh, local club, or
okay.
goes out for a district assembly or something like that. He performs that. Can that be included in the activities done by the chapter? Now, how we need to synchronize our performances
The,
and the activities.
the fellowship groups are more informal in nature. They are not very formal like Rotary. Though they
Okay.
operate like Rotary, but they are not as formal as Rotary. So individual member, if he is suppose, like you said in example, individual member is going to the district and singing one song. Logically, you cannot say it is an event. There is nothing to do with formality, but logically, you cannot say it is an event. Like if they have invited your IFRM 3240 to go and perform in some club, you can always call it an event.
Can the IFRM chapter have their own social like medias, like they can use the medias like Facebook,
Yes,
Instagram?
all chapters are using Facebook and uploading their videos in YouTube, and they are advertising in Facebook about their events. Everyone is all chapters are doing that.
So there is no bar to all this type of
Not at all. Not
social
at all.
activities.
Not at
Okay,
all.
so coming to an end
See,
to this.
the idea is the more you promote, the more people will be aware of IFRM. More people will get interested. Hence, there will be more people who will be interested in Rotary person. That is the ultimate goal.
So you are the person behind IFRM in India, or maybe you have taken over from
I've taken over from
earlier
Nagesh Siddharthi here.
Nagesh, but the activities which we are now uh, viewing or looking at, so more often we are getting the activities of IFRM India or all other chapters. Do you have any specific plans to promote IFRM more into doing this type of activities? Any specific plan?
Luckily for me, I have got chairpersons of chapters who are doing so well the chapters that I don't have to specifically do anything to promote them. They are themselves doing so well. But yes, we are talking to a lot of districts. Whenever there is a program, we are inviting other district officials to come from other districts. They're inviting the DGs and DGs of other districts so that they also come to know that IFRM, there is a concept called IFRM and they can implement that in their district too. So promotions are happening. There is the Rotary India app which is used by most
Oh, yes.
districts.
Yes. Can you just brief about the Rotary India app, which
The
includes the IFRM
Yes,
activities
so
also?
what we did is we have included IFRM into the Rotary India app. So when you open the Rotary India app, you will have an IFRM logo in that. When you click the IFRM logo, it will take you to the IFRM portion of Rotary. So all events will come up there. So all the members will get notified automatically. The members can get connected through that. That will be launched from next month. The app will be launched from next month. It's ready for launch.
Okay.
We will start it next month.
So thank you so much, Petty sir, for the lovely information on
It
very
was
informative discussion we had tonight.
it was my pleasure to talk to you, sir. And I know 3240 will grow further next year.
This
It's done.
this idea was of Subhashis, our DG.
Yes.
We call
yes,
him Modi.
it was-
We call him Modi ji.
Okay.
MODG.
Oh.
All
okay.
our IFR members used to call Subhashis as Modi ji. He's acting like Modi ji. Very
But
dynamic personality.
He required only one phone call with me for 10 minutes, and at the end of 10 minutes, he said, "I am starting it in my district." And that's the kind of initiative which will make IFRM grow.
Thank you so much, Paddy sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you and all the best wishes for the coming year. We'll continue
so much, sir.
joining with you.
Thanks for this chit chat corner. This is a wonderful concept, chit chat corner. I like it.
We'll try to rope in all other IFRM members also, like from the other chapters also. We'll try to rope in the vice chairs,
Please
chair,
do
and
that.
everyone,
Please do that.
so that we get
Please do
connected.
that. You get connected. You get to know from them what they think about IFRM.
Correct. And the activities which what they are
Yes.
proposing to do, like in our IFRM 3240, we are planning for a theme song which is going to be launched in the district conference, upcoming district conference on 19th.
Superb. The minute the theme song is launched, please send me the audio, the video of the song, and the lyrics. And if it is in regional language, then the translation of the lyrics. The theme song will go into the official songbook of IFRM Global.
That's so nice of you, sir. That's so nice of you. It's going to encourage the person who are behind like composing the song and publishing it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you once again.
Welcome.
And good night.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good
Good
night.
night.